Grammy winner Buju has dropped his summer single titled Summer Body. The track was released today and sees the chart-topping artist emphasizing the freedom that comes with the summer season. Summer Body is produced by Banton alongside dancehall staple John John and features Buju's unique DJ style over a hardcore dancehall rhythm, which sets the tone for the soundtrack. The single borrows the signature sounds from the 90s reggae dancehall era, while seemingly fusing the contemporary sound of the present cultural landscape. Buju took to Instagram live earlier where he entertained his fans, sending a firm message to people who don't respect where the music started.
Stop it. Original dancehall. You know why I respect it? You know why I respect it? I'm going to show you how we do it and show you how to make it so the people can lovingly accept it.
Users on Instagram flooded the comment section saying that Summer Body reminds them of the old Buju. One person asking, "Can we get some more of this style, please?" Following the success of his Long Walk to Freedom tour, Buju Banton released his Grammy-nominated album Upside Down 2020, which featured 20 tracks and collaborations with Stephen Marley, John Legend, Pharrell Williams, and Steph London. Now, the anticipation is high for the return of the 15th annual staging of the largest Caribbean concert in North America, Best of the Best Music Fest. Organizers of the event recently announced the full confirmed lineup for their return to Bayfront Park, Miami, Florida. Best of the Best Music Fest will be held on Columbus weekend, Sunday, October 10 in 2021. The event is set to feature Spice, Grammy Award-winning singer Coffee, the legendary Tanya Stephens, popular soca artist, and Bayesian Queen Alison Hines. The ravers himself, Ding Dong, Mr. Singy Sing It, Horace Riley, and TJ, among a slew of others. The Best of the Best Music Festival was honored in 2019 with a proclamation by the city of Miami. The one-of-a-kind music festival has each year welcomed a diverse community of record-breaking crowds from all over the world and has become the perfect getaway for music aficionados who prefer the experience of live Caribbean music. A posthumous album was recently released for late Brooklyn drill rapper Pop Smoke. The project, dubbed Faith, features contributors Kanye West, Pusha T, Dua Lipa, Kid Cudi, Pharrell, Lil TJ, Future, 21 Savage, Quavo, among others. The project follows his first posthumous LP, Shoot for the Stars, Aim for the Moon, which was released in July last year. That album was executively produced by 50 Cent and featured Future, DaBaby, Lil Baby, Quavo, and others. I'm Deidre reporting for E! Prime.